Alright, parts are on. And this is the redneck mechanic, if you didn't know. I got my OD long grips. I'm just kidding, I'm making fun of this kid. They're ODI long neck grips. They're white. Pretty sweet. I cut the flanges off. Stretched them out a little bit. Put on a little S&M sticker. Put one on right there. Here's the big dog. Big dog. S&M bikes. It's camo. It's the... You can't even read that, can you? Well, anyways, right here it says Redneck XLT. If you can read it. I think you can read it. You can see neck at least. My quarter, put that back on there. These are the new tree stick, I don't know if they're new or not, but they're tree stick pegs. They're about that thick. They're titanium. They're not plastic. They weigh nothing. Like, they don't even make my bike. Like, usually when people have pegs, they pick up their bike and it turns that way. Nope, not my bike. Same bar and same pretty much everything else. But if you can see, what? No brake lever, no brake cable, no brakes, no brakes. Oh my gosh, no brakes. Yeah, I messed up, and I cut my cable too short. My cable too short. Too short. And let's check them all off. I'm used to riding without brakes anyways, so yeah. So there's my bike check type deal. Not really, just told you what I got. Put a shoelace on my hub. Shoelace on my hub. Pretty sweet. And I can go choose with one. I'll try to do this with one hand. Can't do it with one hand. Hold on. Hold on. Here we go. Close up and personal lead. Alright guys, I'm gonna upload this video. Download complete. Okay, now we'll go to here. Go to here. Scanning for viruses. Download. Save as my stem. Sweet. Sweet. Alright, I'm gonna upload this vid. Peace, YouTube.